What's up guys, today we got these Kemimoto lower doors for a 2019 Rzr 4-door. We're going to be putting them on one of our buddy's bikes. But these doors on your Rzr will go on the lower parts and stop the problem that people have with rocks and mud and sand and stuff slinging up on your feet. So we'll show y'all how to install these things, and then we're gonna go for a little ride to show you that they do work good and keep the mud out. As you can see, it's pretty open. You can see the tire through there and it just slings right up on you. So this is supposed to fix that. Huge shout out to Kemimoto for sending us to these to test out. So we'll get started putting them on real quick. Pretty much all it does is just bolt up right up to your doors. They come with an installation manual and they got these seals. So everything looks pretty cool, so we'll go ahead and get started on it. Alright guys, so step one, you're going to remove the factory torque head bolts from position A and C in the picture below. So we'll show you on the actual machine. It's going to be this bolt. You're going to come over here right below your door handle, and it'll be this first bolt. So go ahead and take those out, and that'll be your first step. Alright guys, so on the second step, you're going to use this self-tapping little clip to go up in there. We've already done it, but there's a bigger hole here and then a smaller hole here on the underside of this. You'll just shove it up in there, and you'll put your Allen bolt in it and tighten it down some, and we'll start on aligning the door so it'll close right. So after you put your bolts in, what you'll do, they say to do, is close your door. And while you got it closed, I'm going to open it up to show you, but on these 4 bolts right here, trying to get it to focus in a little bit. On these 4 bolts, you just loosen these, and you're going to adjust your door up and down until you get a perfect fit, so when you close it, it'll all line up good. Alright, so we got these doors on. So man, this changes the whole look of this Rzr. It looks totally different. Yeah, we got them on, we got the seals on. They look like they're gonna still up pretty good. And we went ahead and adjusted them. What you'll do on the back side, you'll just loosen up those bolts and you can move the door up and down a little bit. It'll be different for every Rzr, so you'll just have to do it until it looks good. But here in just a second, we're gonna go rip this thing and show y'all that it does block all the sand and stuff from getting in. Now of course we'll get a little bit of sand because tough break, we forgot to have the little seals for the floorboards, but we'll be sure to watch while we're riding and make sure that no sand and mud or nothing gets up in here. Don't have anywhere to get it in the mud at really, but we're gonna go right up the road to this little creek right where we live and whip it around in the sand and test it out. But yeah, it looks super sweet. I love the little edges in them, all real high quality, super hard aluminum. I think this is going to be a pretty good upgrade. So we're about to all hop in this thing and we're about to get y'all some video. Let y'all check them out. Alright, so boots are clean. So they do work really good, even with the hole in there, because we didn't put that in there. But as far as blocking stuff from flying in there, I'm guessing they work pretty great. What do y'all think about it?
Pretty awesome. I rode in this thing before there was doors, and the rocks really did a number on my shins. No doubt about it.